crimp real decent?
It's good.
Good crimps?
It's a good crimp, yeah.
Cool.
Come on, Mario. Come on. Come on. Yep. Yep. Come on, stay with it.
Match it?
There you go. Come on. Come on. Get the ear. Right above it. Come on.
Oh, man.
Nice work, dude. Yeah, it's good up there.
This is good.
Yeah. Good hold up there, man. Yeah, and there's a big jug to the right of it, too. There you go. Nice work, yeah. Take a chill. Yeah, exactly. You got hands out right. And good feet. I'm with you.
Hands out right.
Yeah, just take a chill, man. You got a foot by your knee, too, by your left knee. This is good, going that way.
I'll see that.
There you go. That hand's pretty decent. There you go. Nice, Mario. Yep.
Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo!
Done. Good job,
All
man.
right, dude.
Nice work.
Hell yeah.
You
All
got
right.
you got too high in that lock, and then you fell in.
Dude, my shoulder dislocated
Oh my god.
when I fucking hit this thing.